Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Amrita Raichand and I'm here to make new, healthy and tasty recipes for every school day. Today I'm making Quinoa Parathas. Yes, Parathas can be healthy too. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. Okay, so let's begin. सबसे पहले हम फिलिंग बनाएंगे पराठे का and ये फिलिंग होगा कीनोआ का. So healthy. In fact, it's a great source of protein for vegetarians because it's a complete protein. Of course, इसमें vitamins, minerals, fiber, वो सब भी बहुत quantities में भरे हुए हैं, but great source of protein. इसमें मैंने डाल दिया थोड़ा सा धनिया, प्याज, and now I'm going to add my seasoning, some salt, थोड़ा सा जीरा पाउडर, थोड़ी सी कुटी हुई काली मिर्च, some turmeric, थोड़ा सा धनिया पाउडर, and that's it. इसको अच्छे से हम मिक्स कर लेंगे. Okay, so the mixture is ready, but as you can see, this is all separate, right? तो पराठे में फिलिंग करने समय थोड़ी तकलीफ होगी, but we're going to solve that problem with something that's not only going to solve that problem, but it's going to add so much taste and a great balance of sweetness and spiciness. Yes, we are going to use Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce in this. Okay, so this is done. अब चलिए पराठे बनाना शुरू करेंगे. Here I have my dough ready. Now I'm just going to make a little flat ball out of it. थोड़ा सा इस पे आटा sprinkle करके, just going to roll it out a little before I fill it in with this healthy quinoa. Okay, stuffing is done. Now we're going to roll this out like a regular paratha. Okay, इसे यहाँ साइड में करके let's start making our parathas. Okay, अब हल्का सा मैं तेल इसके ऊपर डाल दूँगी. Just going to make it crisp like a paratha. Alright, so ये एक पराठा तैयार. यहाँ मेरे पास एक और पराठा पहले से ही तैयार है. तो अब मैं ज़रा अपना काउंटर क्लीन कर लेती हूँ and then we are going to pack the tiffin. Okay, here I have my tiffin box. और इसके अंदर आ जाएंगे हमारे yummy and healthy पराठे. साथ में some almonds and pista, some cut kiwi. Alright, so I hope आपको आज की रेसिपी पसंद आई. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I will be back again tomorrow with yet another exciting recipe and to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.